Hello and welcome. Now, one of the first things we're going to do to get started is we're going to go to the file command. And as you recall, what we want to do is we want to set the password for the data file. And that means then that only someone with the password can actually use the data file that we're going to be inputting data into. Now, when we click the link, we are given an option to set the custom password. We're going to do that. And then we're going to go ahead and write that password in this dialog box. Now, you do have the option of using the data file without a password, but it's always a good safety measure to actually go ahead and create a password that you are going to remember with the data file. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click OK. What we're going to do now is we're going to go to the file command. We are then going to set a password to modify transactions. And this is going to give you the ability to make sure that someone who has access to your Quicken account cannot go back and modify transactions. And this means then that you will make sure that your transactions, as you place them in, the software will remain the same. For example, if someone is using the account with you, you don't want them to be able to go back and manipulate transactions in order to change information, in order to reflect something that really did not happen. So we're going to go ahead and click the set password to modify transactions. Okay, now once we've done that, we're going to click OK. We're now going to back up our file, and we're going to go to the backup command. Then we're going to click Backup Quicken File. And we're going to be given some information about the file. It's going to be where we designate it. Now we can actually change the directory where we want this backup to be placed, and then we will then click the Backup Now button. And once you have that information, what you can do is you can actually take your backup and you can place it in your cloud drive just so that you'll have a double measure of safety and security. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.